Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss BPSK, binary phase shift keying, modulation and demodulation. In phase shift keying, phase of the carrier is varied with respect to input bit 1 or 0 of the digital data. Thus, PSK signal consists of two phases, 0 degree and 180 degree, and it is also known as binary phase shift keying. Figure shows the PSK signal representation for a given input bit stream. As seen, whenever the input bit is 1, the output PSK signal having 0 degree phase shift, and whenever input bit is 0, PSK signal is 180 degree phase shifted. PSK signal is 180 degree phase shifted. Thus, 1 and 0 are represented with the two phase angles separated by 180 degree. The mathematical representation of PSK signal is given. V PSK of t equal A cos omega c t for the input bit 1 and minus A cos omega c t for input bit 0. Let us see how BPSK signal is generated. It consists of bipolar NRZ encoder and a product modulator. The binary data sequence is first applied to bipolar NRZ encoder. The output of bipolar signal is then applied to one of the two input of product modulator. To another input of product modulator is a high frequency sinusoidal carrier is applied, which is given by PC of t equal A cos omega c t. The output of the BPSK signal is, when input bit is 1, the output of bipolar NRZ is a positive constant voltage, say plus 1 volt, which multiplied with the carrier A cos omega c t during the bit slot in the product modulator. Thus, the output is VPSK of t equal A cos omega c t. The carrier signal and BPSK signal are in phase with each other, giving 0 degree phase shift. When the input bit is 0, the output of bipolar NRZ is a negative constant voltage, say minus 1 volt, which is multiplied with the carrier A cos omega c t in the product modulator. The output of the product modulator is VPSK of t equal minus A cos omega c t. Thus, the carrier signal and the BPSK signal are completely out of phase with 180 degree. Thus, the phase shift of a carrier is changes with respect to 1 and 0 bit of input data. Let us see the PSK demodulation. We know demodulation means the recovery of information from the modulated signal. Figure shows a coherent binary phase shift keying demodulator. It consists of a synchronous detector or multiplier, a low pass filter, and a threshold device or a comparator. The incoming BPSK signal, which is plus or minus a cos omega ct plus theta, is applied one input of the synchronous detector or multiplier. Here, theta is the phase angle depending upon the effective length of the path between transmitter and receiver. To the another input, synchronous local carrier is applied. Synchronous local carrier is applied, which is either generated at the receiver or extracted from the incoming BPSK signal. The demodulated information is a bit stream is obtained at the output of threshold device. The synchronous carrier signal in coherent BPSK is extracted from the received signal. For these, a synchronizing circuit is used as shown. The synchronizing circuit consists of a square law device, a band pass filter, and a frequency divider. That means divided by 2. The received BPSK signal plus or minus a cos omega ct plus theta is applied to the square law device. And the output of frequency divider is the extracted synchronous carrier cos omega ct plus theta. Let us see the working. During the bit slot, when the incoming BPSK signal is plus a cos omega ct plus theta, the output of the square law device, which is also known as squaring circuit, is a square cos square omega ct plus theta. That is equal a square by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 omega ct plus theta. We know cos square theta equal 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. The signal is then passed through a band pass filter which is tuned to twice omega c. Thus the output 2 omega ct plus theta, which is after division, gives the required synchronous carrier cos omega ct. The locally recovered synchronous carrier cos omega ct plus theta is multiplied with the received BPSK signal in the synchronous detector or multiplier. The output of the synchronous detector is a cos square omega ct plus theta, which is then passed to the low pass filter. The output of the filter is v of t equal plus a by 2. This voltage is then applied to a comparator or threshold device whose threshold value is set to 0 volt. A by 2 is greater than the threshold value. The device gives the output logic 1. Similarly, during the bit slot, when the incoming BPSK signal is minus a cos omega ct plus theta, the extracted synchronous carrier cos omega ct plus theta is multiplied with minus a cos omega. The output of the synchronous detector is minus a cos square omega ct plus theta, which is passing through the low pass filter, which gives a DC term minus a by 2. This voltage is less than the threshold value 0. Thus, the output voltage of threshold device is logic 0. It can be seen that when the input is a cos omega ct plus theta, the output is logic 1, and when the input is minus a cos omega ct plus theta, the output is logic 0.